This is a daily reminder that if every black person in America was gone today, that this country would be nothing. Absolutely nothing. Black power.
Hello, wonderful, good people. It's a blessing to have you around here with me today. For those who are new here and first-time viewers and subscribers, I'm Marvin, and please and kindly feel free to hit the subscribe icon below and follow my page. If you find this video educative, of essence and of value, you want your family to know what is going on around the world, you can as well share this video to them. Also, don't forget to like this video up. With the first video we have just watched, you can clearly get to understand why we are all here. Can America be America without black and brown people? This is a debate that has brought mixed reactions all over the social media. What's your take in this episode, family? I would like to know what you think about this. Can America really strive without the black American family, the brown people in America? Clearly, America cannot strive without these two groups because they are the ones who inject more value into the economy more than the white people in America. Look at the NFL, look at the music industry, look at the basketball. It is all about the black American family. If America was to die without the black people, America will not be where it is right now. Here is a video I've compiled for you people about a debate we are all here to engage. Can America really strive without the black American family? I would like to know your response in this episode. Watch the following videos. The following video is a woman, a black American woman, a true black American woman who knows what she is talking about. We need to uplift the black American community. We need to protect them against the white supremacists. Let's watch the following videos I've compiled for you people, and we will come back at the end and discuss more impact on this subject matter. Let's watch the following videos, family.
Imagine waking up tomorrow and every black and brown person in America is just gone. No warning, no explanation, just poof, gone. The workforce, the culture, the communities, the contributions, just all erased overnight. What would happen to America? Would it thrive, like some racists claim? Or would it collapse under its own weight? Let's talk about it. Black and brown workers make up nearly half of America's essential workforce. Nurses, teachers, farm workers, truck drivers, construction workers, delivery drivers, just gone. The $3 trillion that black and brown consumers contribute to the economy, vanished. Small businesses, over 30% of them are minority owned. That means empty storefronts, lost jobs, and neighborhoods turned into ghost towns. We know for a fact that the U.S. relies on immigrant labor and historically oppressed communities to do the work that it doesn't want to acknowledge. Without black and brown people, who's going to keep things running? Who's going to make America cool? Let's be real. American culture is black and brown culture. Hip-hop, gone. Latin music, gone. Fashion, slang, food, art, all gone. The NBA, the NFL, boxing, decimated. No more Serena Williams, no more Patrick Mahomes. No more Jalen Hurts. No more LeBron, no more Messi, no more Usain Bolt. You're watching a golf tournament in silence now. Black culture alone generates billions for corporations, but those same corporations fight against black empowerment. Imagine them trying to profit off America, but they have nothing but bland corporate branding and country music. But we created that too. 1 in 5 doctors, 1 in 4 nurses, 1 in 3 home health aides are black or brown. Who's going to take care of America's aging population? The agricultural industry. Most farm workers are Latino. That means no fresh fruits and vegetables. Fast food, meat packing, warehouses, sanitation. Heavily dependent on black and brown labor. But if they're gone, those industries, they shut down overnight. The same people that America underpays and disrespects are the ones keeping it alive. 40% of the U.S. military is made up of minorities. Without them, America's global power weakens instantly. Law enforcement? Black and Latino officers make up 30% of the police force. Who's going to patrol the communities? America would no longer be a superpower. Because trust me, the rest of the world is watching. America needs the very same people that it mistreats. The U.S. relies on immigrant workers and young Black and brown folks to fund programs like Social Security and Medicare. Without them, there aren't enough taxpayers left to support the system. Retirement funds? Drained. White America will realize too late that the same people they spent decades trying to suppress are actually the backbones of this country. America's entire financial system depends on people of color, but it refuses to invest in them. Who's left to blame after we're gone? Without Black and brown people, who's going to be the new problem? Can't blame crime on inner cities. Can't complain about taking our jobs. Can't scapegoat immigrants anymore. So who's the new target? Because history shows that when oppressed people disappear, the powerful just find a new enemy. The reality is Black and brown people built this country, fund this country, and maintain this country. America doesn't function without its most exploited and underappreciated people. The real question isn't what happens if we leave. The real question is, why is America so dependent on people that it refuses to respect? The fact is, America doesn't deserve Black and brown people. But without us, it doesn't exist.
Just want to talk about this for a second. Sports, music, culture, United States of America. Without Black folk, it'd be a really, really dull place to be. Y'all agree with that? Sports, music, culture. So let's elaborate on this a little bit. Today's Sunday. NFL. Can you imagine if all of the Black folk that play football, coach football, are up in the high offices of the NFL? What if they decided not to come to work today? That's just football. We ain't even talking about basketball yet. I love basketball. That's my thing. Same thing. All of them. Steph Curry. I don't know why I started with him. He's cool. LeBron James. Pretty much the whole NBA. Black folk. Include the coaches. Front office. What if they all decided not to step on the court? What would that be like for the United States of America?
If you're still here with me, God bless you. God protect your family. And God protect the Black American family, because this war is not going to end anytime soon. White supremacists are always against the Black American family. That's why we get to understand this subject matter. Can America really do without Black and brown people? This is a debate that has answers. That person who is viewing this video, clearly by now you have an answer. I would like to know your answer in the comment section below and your reasoning in the comment section below. Let's engage. Let's share our thoughts. Let's share what we think about this episode. Clearly, the Black American family is a family that is a wide range of family. They are facing racism all over America. They want to be defeated, and they are a family that always have an upper hand more than the white supremacists. That's why you can see white people in America are always against this family. Why? Because America cannot do without them. Black American family people are jealous of you. They envy your strive. They envy your success. They envy the way you are a celeb all over the world. This episode is also to protect the Black American family, it is to bring a sense of belonging in this world. They are a group that are facing major racism in America. Trump is targeting the black American family. Look at how he is handling the situation in Chicago, on how he is detaining legally lawful black American citizens. Well, don't forget to share this video to family and friends. Also, subscribe, hit the like icon, and comment on this episode. I would like to know your answers in the comment section below. Clearly, the black American family needs to be uplifted. They need to be on the forefront more than the white supremacist. I myself, in this page, I will fight for the rights of black Americans. I will keep you updated on what is happening in the black American family, and I will protect the black American family from all white supremacists. All the harsh moments that is going through the black American family, I will post in this page. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will keep you posted on what will go around America. God bless America. God protect the black American community. And we get to final conclusion that it is true that America cannot strive without the black people and brown people. Do you support that statement? Let me know what you think. See you on the next episode, family. Goodbye.